morning guys. Guys, happy Saturday. Nasa Tapadungan?
Yung pala.
Pupunta kami sa ano guys. Meron kaming part-time ni Papa. Maglinis ng bahay. Ngayon. Nag-part-time kaming dalawa. So kaming dalawa pupunta doon. Tapos mamaya hapon, meron din akong part-time na maglilinis din ng bahay. So dalawa din kami. So mga 1 PM siguro. Tapos na siguro tayo. Sana matapos namin 9, 10, 11, 12. Sana matapos namin ng 12. Para 1 PM. Punta kami sa Ips. Hindi pa. Punta to na ilan ni Sir Kali, di ba? So, part-time si Papa, hindi wala pang tulog yan. Wala pang tulog si Papang. Tapos gloomy day ngayon guys. Oh. Cloudy day. Uulan mamaya.
Check na kung sa oras mo kuha na.
11.
11?
Ayun yung first driver ko ngayon. Ang driver ko ngayon. Ford, Manila. Ford. Ano din yung Lincoln? Ford. Dagkong na ni Orabi may kabudalaw. Kuan. Hindi kami nakadala ng tawag yan? Ayong. Umbrella. Saan ko po? Ano yun ha? Para siyang ano no? Ham.
Eh, ham sign na to.
Wala man. Kabawal mo makabantay.
Road test pa to. Bagsak.
Bagsak na. Tulwa na. Papagani. First pagani. Bagsak na. Straight lang ka. Ayun ko. Dahil nagtura sa anang kami na stoplight. Mag left turn ka. Tapos nahan. Wow. Sports car. Nagkakip sports car diri guys. Wow. Sports car yan guys oh. Yan. Kita niyo? Oh, sige na saan? Mustang. May Mustang guys. Maraming Mustang dito sa ano, Canada. Dami Mustang, Tesla, mga luxury car including our car. Luxury car din itong ano namin. Pero yan oh, grabe oh. Nakasigo yung speed yan ano no? Sana all may Mustang.
9:15. 15 minutes late.
Sige laman, okay raman. Ina lang nga nakuha na ako kay baka niya sa manamang limpiwan nga balay oh, dako kayo. Nice kayo ko ano. Nice kayo. Bye guys, musulod na mi. Muna mong dako nga balay mo limpiwan. Ayan na. Happy Father's Day yan eh. Video ta ka para naikuan.
Thank you.
Nasa ano, YouTube na ko. Surprise ka ne?
Yeah.
Pero pang para siya pang summer something. Medium ra ba na ni? Dako?
Yeah. Soto na pa yan.
Sang pang summer siya ba? Dili siya kuan. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy Father's Day, honey. Oy. Husband, mantika. Pasasad ya. Wa may lain manindot ano.
Sige, print mo na.
Di daan na sa kuan. Ay na. Di na ma-surprise sila. Kuan gikapoy be kuan ha.
My wonderful husband.
Hmm?
My very best friend.
Best friend.
Not a day goes by that I don't stop and think about how lucky I am to have you for a husband.
Yes.
I've always known I could depend on your support, your strength, and your understanding. Your warm sense of humor makes me feel so comfortable around you.
Ano?
Especially on Father's Day, I want you to know that I love you, and I would want to
So you wouldn't?
I wouldn't want to spend a lifetime with anyone else.
Gikapoy ko na gabi kaning 9:25 gabi na ha. Karon lang gibutang nako. Ugma na para ugma na pero gabi ni. Hertili na ha.
And through all these years together,
Gikapoy
almost
jud ko.
39 years,
19. Si 29 years.
19,
Sana all. Maurice, siya lagi tana lagi yan. Ayaw pagkuhan ba? Abo, nagkaway.
19, you have never stopped taking
Care of me
care of me
and our family.
I am so blessed.
And grateful that you're my partner in life.
My partner is that.
My partner, my prayer
My prayer
is that
my prayer is
soon
that soon
we
we
will finally
be able to get married
able to-
in the church and receive that special blessing we've been waiting for. Thank you for all the sacrifices you have made for our family. Because of your hard work and dedication, Ethan and I are here in Canada, and you will always be thankful for that. Even though we sometimes have disagreements, we always find
a way to work things out and
make
things better together.
That
Is one of the many reasons
why I cherish you so much. Always remember that we love you very much. I love you with all my heart. I will always be your best friend, your baby, your honey, and your soon-to-be wife. No matter what happens, I will always be here for you. Thank you for being an amazing father, partner, and provider. You are my Superman and
Nang buhay ko.
ng buhay ko. I love you, hon. Happy Father's Day.
Love ko niyo.
Thank you.
Ano, nari surprise si Papa. Ako na nung nagkuha. Kaya binakog na ko na samukan. Masa? Bisaya na?
Thank you sa tanan na buhat mo para sa pamilya natin.
Pusga.
Even though dili ko mo show kayo gratitude o happiness.
Ako nakahilak.
Pero just know na lipay ko kayo na hindi hatagan ko ingani. Grateful ko sa caring.
Ako hilak mo.
Sa tanan hard work na buhat nimo aron lang happy ako. Thank you kayo pa. I hope to make you proud one day. I love you pa, Ethan. I may never know all the sacrifice you've made or the challenges you face, but I do know how proud I am and how privileged I feel to have you for a dad.
Gilak ako na po na gilang. Kaguan ko na, oy.
Si mommy ni boss.